Look at him. Look at this. Tell me this is real. Just got flipped off. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back with another POV video, and as y'all can see, we at a new location. Location number 1. The car parked over there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it, but just wanted to film my little intro. You feel me? Hey, if y'all are new to the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping videos almost every day if I can. We on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We about to hit it soon. So let's lock in and get this bread, you feel me? Yo, I'm trying to see if I can hit 30 new routes. 30 new routes. Y'all see the tag? Zip tied it up, bruh. Got tired of waiting for that mount. But it don't look bad. It don't. It don't. It looks calm. Some cool. But let's get into the POV. That was L or. We looking good. Okay. All right, y'all. So yeah, my goal is try to hit 30 different locations, if possible. At least 30 different routes. I don't want to do the same POV every single time. If I find a little car group out here, then I'll probably maybe film some content with them. But I had a car group in Hampton, but then I went back home. So now it's just solo dolo. If anybody want to make any content, I'm down to make content. If you in Virginia, like Fredericksburg area, I'm down. Let's do it. Let's get that content rolling. But other than that, let's get into the video. But that was a little fishing spot over there. I'm probably gonna come out here and fish one of these days. So of course my brakes, man. Of course. Pothole was crazy, bro. I was not about to hit that. I got another location for y'all, bro. I think that it's gonna be dope, bro. If I can get that video out. If I can go there, I'm gonna go there one of these days, bro. I filled up on gas, so I'm gonna go there one of these days, bro, and it's gonna be a nice POV, trust. A nice POV, bro. Listen, 30 different locations I'm gonna try to hit. My brakes are squealing so bad. You can smell straight exhaust, bro. Oh, that's a Supra. Yo, all you smell is straight catless up through here, bro. Everybody rips this road, bro. Look at him. Look at this. Tell me this is real. This is real to y'all? Like, why did you brake check me? Like, what are we doing? Yo, I just got flipped off. What is she even doing, bro? How I get flipped off? She don't even know what she doing. She's so mad. The next location I got for y'all is gonna be tough. It's gonna be sweet. Man, his truck stinks, bro. I'm following him. He know what he's doing. This truck sounds good though. For it to look the way it looks, it sounds good. No, I should have went that way. I'm popping a Yui. We're going that way. We're going that route. We are going that route, boss. Come on now. Let's go this route. Gotta watch out for them troopers. I might have to return to this place and keep going down. Yo, she's such a drone. Look at her. That's a bot right there. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Wow. Man. We're returning to this area. All right, YouTube. If y'all liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all at the next POV location. We out. Peace.